Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Thai fried pomfret, which will be very crisp and delicious, and serve on top with a sweet and spicy sauce, which makes this recipe even more awesome to taste. So friends, let's get started with this interesting pomfret recipe. And here I've taken two medium-sized pomfrets which has been washed and cleaned from inside. First, we'll make slits on both the sides of the fish pieces so that they can absorb all the flavors of the marination. And now we will season or marinate them with some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We will now rub these seasonings well over the pomfrets. And we'll let them rest for about 20 minutes. And here I have taken some Thai bird's eye chilies which has been dipped in vinegar water, and I will slice them into very small portions like this. Alright, this is done. And here I have taken 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and the sliced bird's eye chilies. And now we'll do a quick prep to make a flavorful sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Then this is fish sauce, adding 1 tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance the taste. Next goes the juice of half a lemon. Basically, this is going to be a sweet, tangy and spicy sauce. For seasoning goes a pinch of salt as per taste. Now we'll mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our sauce is almost ready, but there is one more step left. For that, heat a teaspoon of vegetable oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add the minced garlic as well as the sliced bird's eye chilies. And on medium flame, we will saute them well until the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. And now we will add the prepared sauce. We'll mix them well and we'll simmer until the sauce slightly thickens. And our flavorful sweet and spicy sauce is also ready. Then here in this plate, I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. We'll mix this well. And now we'll coat the marinated pomfrets in the flour mixture. See to it that they are coated well from both the sides. We'll shake off the excess flour, and in this way we need to coat the flour with the fish. Next, we will heat sufficient oil in a large pan, and when the oil is hot, we will place the pomfret fish coated with the flour. Keep the flame on medium. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll flip the pomfret and fry the other side till they turn crisp and golden brown in color. We'll flip the fish one more time so that they evenly turn golden brown from both the sides, and this will make the fish super crisp from outside. And by now our pomfrets are fried deep golden brown from both the sides. So we'll take them off and arrange them for serving. And friends, here goes our hot and crisp fried pomfret on the serving plate. And on top goes the sweet, sour, spicy, garlicky sauce, which is so very flavorful to enjoy with the pomfrets. We'll garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro, few Thai bird's eye chilies, and lemon wedges to complete the dish. So friends, I hope you will try this Thai fried pomfret recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.